If you are facing login issue in my STC app, this video is for you. So first of all, double check your username and password. A small typo can block your access. And if you have forgotten your password, then tap on forgot password button to report or enter your new password. After that, go to Google and type internet speed check, and then go to this website to check your internet speed. If internet is working properly, then restart your phone and update the app from Play Store. Go to Play Store and search for my STC app. Now update your app from here. If it's still not working, then uninstall and reinstall the app. So this will start working and your login issue will be fixed.